Good morning, children. Welcome to the EVS class. Children, just I'll begin with a little revision and I'll speak about the gypsies and the Banjaras, children. Okay, yeah, these people are the Banjaras, and sometimes they are called as gypsies, they are called as nomads because they don't stay in one place. I've already told you, and they are called, they live in a caravan. Caravan is a movable house which they can take it from one place to another. See, some of the examples of the caravan is given over here, and they stay inside that and for few days, and then they change the place, and that is easy for them to move from one place to another because nowadays they instead of making tent, they live inside this caravan also. If too many members are there, they make a tent outside, half inside the caravan. Inside this like a small movable house better. Okay. Yes, now we'll begin with the good house, children. A house, as I told you, that number one picture over here. See this. A house should have a proper ventilation, children. It should be clean. It should be free from germs, and the proper ventilation should be there so that the windows and doors are open and you get enough light and sunlight, because you know the importance of sunlight, children. It give you vitamin D, and yes, one important factor, it's kills the germs better, okay, which enters a house. And the house is not too damp, has to be dry and clean. Okay, so we should have a proper ventilation. Now, I'll talk about a house. A house should be a strong one. Yes, you see, look at this, a strong house. It should, so that it can protect you from the heat, cold, rain, and wind. It should have a good boundary wall so that stray animals, and the strangers cannot enter your house. So the doors and the windows should have a good latches, strong latches to secure them, because at night we usually lock it. So that nobody enters our house. Your should be safe, children. It should be strong enough. Okay, it should not be easily broken by the robbers and the thieves, children. And the windows should have a wire meshes to prevent the mosquitoes and flies from entering, as you can see in the picture. Yes, this is a net, children. This is called the wire meshes, and you can see as this, see, the mosquito is trying to enter but is not able to enter it because of the wire mesh. So if you have an if you happen to your house, if near your house, if there is a too much of greenery, so it may happen that the mosquitoes can enter your house. So it's better to protect yourself by putting a wire meshes. Okay, children. And secondly, you can look at the second picture. Yes, she is mopping. Mop your house, clean your house. Your house should be clean, because they say the cleanliness is next to godliness, they say. And yes, that nobody keeps the house dirty. But let me tell you that a dirty house is a house of illness and disease. It spreads the diseases because the pests start entering your house better. And I know you all are houses clean, but still I need to tell you some rules and regulations. Yes, throw the rubbish only in the dustbin better. Don't throw it through your windows and doors better. It is not good. If you're keeping your house clean and if your surroundings are dirty, ultimately what will happen? Yes, the mosquitoes may enter. If they are around your house, it's dirty, and they may spread diseases. Okay, unknowingly, you must not be knowing, but please don't do that. And when you are sitting in the auto, when you go to the school and coming back home, I've seen after that children, they buy the chips packet and all, and they literally throw the wrappers out through the auto. I've seen with my own eyes, and that is also not good, beta. Please, this is a country. We should keep our country neat and clean. We should begin from our home. When you don't like to keep your home dirty, how can you allow the country to be dirty, beta? If any foreign the tourist comes to our country, what they're going to say about the country? You go to the other country, you are fine, and you yourself won't be making you won't be like after seeing those country neat and clean, you yourself won't be making it dirty. Because you know, oh, I have come to America, it is a Japan, and here I'll be caught by the police anytime and they may fine you. Why like this, better? This is our own country, India, and it is our utmost responsibility. It is a duty to keep our country clean, better, and we should stop others also. Yes, we'll come back again now. These are all called disinfectant, pesticides, beta. and we should use all these things to keep the house clean in order to eradicate or to just so that the pests don't enter our house like flies and lizard and ant and cockroaches, because they spread diseases better. So in order to avoid them, we should use all disinfectant and pesticides better, and keep your house neat and clean. Throw the rubbish only in the dustbin better. Okay, and keep your bathroom neat and clean. And I know all these things you know, but still. Now, shelters for home. From childhood, you're learning various homes of the animals better, like a kennel, and the dogs are being kept in the kennel. The cows and buffaloes are kept in the cows and buffaloes in the shed. Horses are kept in the stable. Pig in the stay. है the lions, they live in a natural home, that is the caves they have. They live in the forest. The big animals like elephant and all, they live in the forest. They don't have home as such. The bees in the beehive, the birds lives in the nest, the dog in the kennel, wasn't it? As we need the shelter, the animals also need the home better. Okay, we are next. Now remember few points which is given in your book, children, that the people live in the different type of houses. Houses are made according to the climate of the place, materials available, money that can be spent. This is very important. Houses are built on the silt in the places where it rains a lot. There is a possibility of flooding, very important. In forested areas, houses are built on trees. Igloos are built in extremely cold climate better. People in the mountainous areas build the houses with the sloping roof. You know that because of the snowfall and the rain. The floating houses are called as a houseboat. It can come in the fill in the blanks form. Floating houses are called what? Dash, like that. Houses should be ventilated. Why? So that the sunlight, full of sunlight and must be kept in. Why it should be properly ventilated? So that the sunlight and the air should enter the house. Okay, children. So please read the chapter, children. Complete your work on time, beta. Thank you so much, children. Thank you. God bless you.